Good morning everyone. Today we will start with our new subject, data mining and business intelligence. So before going deeper into this subject, let's understand some of the important terms that we will use most frequently in this subject. So let's start with the first term. The first term is a data. So the question here is, what is the data? Data can be anything. It can be numbers, symbols or letters, sound, image. Okay, so let's take one example. If I write one number 7895, so by just seeing that number we cannot say anything about that number. It can be anything. It can be a price of the product or a zip code or any registration number, etc. So as it is not known what data is, it is a meaningless. By looking at that number, we cannot say that what that number indicates. So we can say that data is a collection of number, symbol, letters, sounds or image with no meaning. So to understand the meaning of that number, let's move on to our next term, which is information. So what is the information? When we provide some meaning to the data or we provide some context to the data, then it becomes the information. For example, in our previous example, I said there is one number 7895. Yes, so by seeing that number we cannot say what that number is. Now I am providing some meaning to that number. For example, I said that this 7895 is the MRP of product A. So now this number got some meaning. Yes, so here data is 7895 and the meaning or the context is MRP of product A. So here I am assigning the context to the data, so now it become the information. For the data to become information, it must need to be given a meaning. Information is useful because it means something. Now let's move on our third term. The third term is a knowledge. So the definition of knowledge is basically what a person knows, or we can say that information plus rules equals to knowledge. Let's take one example. Suppose a doctor has a list of medicines. Now one patient comes and doctor analyzed the patient and found some symptoms. So based on the symptoms, doctor suggests some medicine to the patient. So what doctor does here? Doctor provides some rules on the list of medicine, that he analyzed that there are some symptoms, and based on that symptoms he finds a related medicines and it provides the medicine. So at the end of the process some knowledge is extracted. So this is called the knowledge. We have to apply some processing, or we have to apply some operations or rules to extract the knowledge from the information. So this is all about the three important terms: data, information and knowledge. I hope you all differentiate these three terms. From the next lecture we will start with our chapter number 1. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.